channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing best of Dot & Key products. Now after investing in the Hydro Glow peel, which I had reviewed with you guys in my YouTube channel, so I thought why not invest in their skincare range and the masks. And also I bought few products from Dot & Key. I invested, and from those I picked up some of the best products which really worked for me for my sensitive skin type. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin. Let's begin. Firstly, I would begin by saying that guys, I'm really thankful that you guys have subscribed to my channel and have supported me like this throughout my journey, and I feel really blessed to have you guys as my small family, and I hope our family really like grows and grows and grows. Okay guys, so jumping right into the products, first I got, as you all know, the Hydro Glow peel right here. This is a very costly product, I would say. So guys, this is the product. This is like a 30 ml product. This has borage flower and grapefruit, and this is above 1000 rupees. It is like 1195 or something like that. So this is the product, and yeah, this is really worth it. This is my first chemical peel. It has AHA as well as BHA. It has 10% AHA and 2% BHA. So yeah, this is really good, and this will be really beneficial if you guys are just starting off with your chemical peel journey. And yeah, this is pretty good. This is some of the YouTubers call it a dupe for the ordinary skincare glow peel, which has a lot of concentration of AHA as well as BHA, but this one has only 10% AHA and 2% BHA, which is really good for us starters right here. So this is a really good product. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. All you need is just one single pump of it, and that's all. Okay guys, so the next product right here is the pink clay mask. This is also a raved product. This retails for 750 rupees, and you can get a discount. At times now there's Nykaa Pink Friday sale also, so you can get a discount on these products, like say 10 to 15% off, because they are not at all below 15% off, which is really annoying at times because they are really pricey. And this is a really good product. I'll just show you how it looks like. Guys, so this is the vitamin C pink clay mask right here. This is a glow reviving mask. As you can see, this is a really cute pink pastel packaging right here. So this, I'll just show you guys. This retails for 750 rupees, and yeah, this is it. And they say it revives glow. As you can see, this is 100% safe and dermatologically tested. And yeah, you can use it like once a week or twice a week. As you can see, it has vitamin C, pink clay, and yeah, it's really glow reviving. I have used it before. I'll just show you the bottle right here. This is the bottle, and as you can see, it has a matte kind of finish. I'll just open it and show you guys. Guys, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot, and yeah, this is really good. This is really clearing, and you guys with oily skin as well as dry skin, sensitive skin will love it, as it clears out all your pores and makes your skin feel so glowy and fresh and brightened, and it's really good. So this is definitely one of the best products of Dot & Key. Okay guys, so the next product is the third product, that is the Dot & Key Zit Zapping Skin Clarifying Serum. So this is the product right here. This has 30 ml. This one of mine, that is the fourth product, is the vitamin C sleeping mask right here. So just look at how much I have finished, and this is the packaging. This is a glass packaging. अगर ये तुम्हारे हाथ से गिर गया तो you're dead. This is the product. Guys, so this is my most favorite product right here after the Hydro Glow peel. This is the skincare glow vitamin C sleeping mask. This is the overnight radiance recovery, and this comes with this spatula right here, as you can see. So you have to just scoop out the product with this, and you're good to go. This is a very good night cream, and yeah, this retails for, as you can see, 1095 bucks, which is costly guys, because उतना हम लोग स्टूडेंट्स के पास नहीं है. And this product, I'll just open it and show you guys how it looks like. Guys, so this is what it looks like. It looks like a thick jelly kind of thing, and it adds a layer to your face and really helps your skin in rejuvenating throughout the night. And yeah, when you wash your face in the morning, you feel like a layer is coming off, because it really helps plumping and rejuvenating your skin overnight, guys. So as you can see, I finished half of the bottle right here. Just look at it. So it's really good. And the smell, I was shocked by the smell, because the smell is pretty similar to the Hydro Glow Peel, guys. So it's pretty similar. So this is definitely a must have from Dot & Key. Okay guys, so another product which is really close to my heart, and that is not with me right now because I had given to my friend to try it out, and it's with her, and I will go to her place and just take it from her. So that also comes with a spatula like this, a similar kind of spatula, and it also retails for 750, I think. So that is a really fun play mask, like I would say play mask, not clay mask, because it's fun to play with and also clarify your skin at the same time. So you have to just scoop it up and apply it like this, because the moment that touches your skin, that will start to foam up. So you cannot use your hands to apply the mask like that, or you can also use a face mask brush. So that is the product, and I really like that product because it was really fun. But if you give me a choice between the bubble clay mask and the pink clay mask, I would definitely go for the pink clay mask, because really it it starts showing the result from the very first use. So okay guys, so that's about it, and I really hope you guys like my video. If you really like my video, do give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more. Also guys, if you want to know how I created this look, this is a very basic student friendly look, because I am a student. I also want to go for looks which are really affordable, plus really easy to create, because I am no makeup artist. I would say I'm a skincare person, and I believe that if you go on leveling up on your skincare game, then you won't need makeup, because makeup is like, what would I say, if your skin naturally is glowing, you won't need makeup to make it glow a bit more, because if your skin feels healthy, that's all you need eventually. So I'm more of a skincare person. You ask me anything about skincare, I am there with an answer. And yeah, that's about it. I really hope you like this look and you like this video, and if you really liked my video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you in my next video.